Hi, if you're a high-performing woman, 40 and over, and you have built a successful career, you're out there empowering everybody else, but your own body feels like it's powered off, you're in the right place. You've got high drive, high stress, and low recovery. Maybe everything you did, driving harder, pushing harder in your 20s and your 30s, and now we hit the 40s and something is definitely off. You've done all kinds of testing and they come back normal, or maybe they write it off as menopause, but that's just code for depletion and out of balance. Your sleep is off. You're carrying around extra weight. It feels like the weight won't budge. You've tried all the calorie counting, the supplements, all the things, mood swings, and the weight not budging, no matter how many calories you count. You're definitely not alone, and it's not your fault. We're not built to do burpees. There hasn't been a holistic approach specifically for women. If you're tired of the chronic pain, trying to push harder in the gym, push harder at work, and see no results, this is your permission to shift to something holistic. My name is Stefana Johnson. I'm the creator and founder of Yogilachi. I coined the word Yogilachi from yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi. It's built on 4 pillars: optimal movement, mindset, nutrition, and lifestyle. You put those together and you're going to see radical positive transformation like the thousands of clients over the last 25 years, without pills and potions, without hours in the gym, and it's fun. If you'd like to experience your own positive transformation with ease and in a caring, supportive environment, fill out the form below and book your complimentary consultation now.